one. One and a half. 1.5 turns on the trigger eye to cock it higher. What did I want to do with the gap? I want to close it. I want to close it. How much do I want to close it? Let's go half a turn. Like that. Yeah, half a turn. Lifting the prop, locking it in place with the arm, trigger pin in, ball 5. Got 2 different loops to choose from. Probably end up with the shorter sling loop. See what it looks like. Yeah, and we're going to want a prop right here, just a piece of water bottle cut off, pour water bottle. Bam. Elevates the cradle, keeps it from falling off. That's what happened at tournament when I broke the hanger. Is the shot was sitting on the hanger block or the prop block, but I didn't have anything holding it in place, and when I pulled the trigger and it started moving, it slid off the prop block, hit the arm, the pumpkin rolled out of the sling. Alright, let's was there anything I was changing? I cocked it higher. I can still cock it higher. Yeah, quite a bit higher. Dang, I might have to cut the hammer leg off some. Alright, let's put the rest of the weights on it. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75. 85 plus the solid bar and the hanger, it's another 5 pounds, so that's 90 pounds. That's significant. Okay. Yeah. Pin's kind of far forward. I guess we'll see. Should expect the counterweight to drop about right here. About a 12 o'clock stall. So if it stalls at 12 o'clock, that should put the pin angle about where I want it. What else do I need? The other camera. All right, 90 pounds and a softball, elevated cradle, and we're shooting that piece of grass at the end of the road at 500 feet. You ain't gonna be able to see shit. 3, 2, 1. High, kind of left, wind caught it, hit in the street to the left. 3, 2, 1. High, kind of left, wind caught it, hit in the street. Loading process after a shot. I'm gonna have to make a winch for this thing. Yep. Gonna need the winch. Yep. What do I want to do? I'm going to pull from the other side so I can get further away. Try and use the slow-mo capture with my phone. Ta-da! Ball number 6, softball. That's what it is. I want it here. I want it like right there. but I need to do something about the sling geometry. Maybe that'll work. That'll delay it a little bit further, bring it further over the top, make sure my lines aren't twisted. Nope, sling lines are good. Alright, let's send it. Last shot had a bunch of magnus on it and went high. The wind caught it and sent it left. Alright, here we go. 90 pounds in a softball. And 3, 2, 1. That was beautiful. Yeah. That was right where I was aiming. Boom. 325 feet, I guess.